Hello, it's me, Anthony, and I went out on my front porch and I saw this big package from Sun's Mind. It is a wet and dry stick cordless vacuum cleaner. Let's put it together and put this bad baby to the test. So this was really easy to assemble. It's digital. Took me just a couple minutes. It has a nice little tray carrier. This is your dry and this is your wet. We're gonna fill that up with water and give it a whirl. There we go. This is where it catches all the debris. There was a little bug on the floor. You can see it in there. Good job. We're gonna take the battery off.
And now we're gonna mop.
Now we're gonna mop.
No.
So here's the water tank. We filled it up with water. Clipped it in. We're gonna attach the battery that was to the dry vac onto the wet vac. Here we go. All right. This does wet suction and dry suction. So we're gonna do wet. And we call the There's an Eco Max button. So if you go Eco, you get 65, Max, you got 3 minutes. So you want to show how dirty it is?
Yeah.
Really see how dirty that water is?
Oh, that was from our floor.
Yeah, it's from your feet. But yeah, the floors, it really picked up the dirt and some particles and definitely a dirty martini in there.
So what do you think of the...
Very nice. It's very nice when you want to do a real quick mop job. That's great stuff.
It was easy to put together.
It's easy to put together. This product was free for review.
Do you recommend it?
I do. It sits in the corner and you get the dry vac and the wet vac. So we get a lot of traffic in this area.
Show that again.
Can you see how dirty it is? So yeah, I give this product a thumbs up. It was free for review and really easy to put together and really easy to use.